Eh guys, try natin tong sinasabi nila na 10 consecutive Michelin Award winner na kainan dito. So first time natin kakain at makakatikim ng pagkain na Michelin Award. Let's see how it goes. And in fairness, hindi siya ganun kamahal. Kung sa Philippine peso, lalabas na siguro mahigit 500 peso itong meal na to. Ganda ng pagkaluto niya guys. Ang lambot ng chicken. Tapos medyo pink yung meat. Michelin Award winning meal. I think it's worth it. So guys, if you know me, never akong kumain ng fish. I don't like fish at all. Ayaw ko talaga yung aftertaste niya. But this meal unfortunately has a dilis. So let's try if we can eat this. In fairness, hindi malansay ang amoy. Okay lang. Walang lansa. Pero nandun pa rin talaga yung aftertaste ng fish. Okay lang. Tolerable pero wala, hindi talaga ako fan ng isda. Itong ice jelly gulaman nila ang sarap din. Hindi masyadong matamis pero tasty. Sarap. Kakaiba yung jelly niya. Sarap. Tapos nagme-melt sa loob ng bibig mo. Sarap. Kakaiba yung texture. Nagme-melt sa loob ng bibig. Sarap niya, feeling so big. Hindi ko ma-explain. And we finished down to the bone except for the dilis. And I think what makes a meal Michelin Award is that ramdam mo yung heart ng chef na nag-prepare at nagluto ng meal. And if you want to try this guys, dito yan sa Crave sa Changi Airport.